Hello everybody, today trade cap for January 15th, 2026. And I took one trade on NVDA for around a $2,500 day slash 55% win. So very insane day, right? And I'll break down what I saw in the markets and how I kind of took this trade and managed the risk. So very good video if you especially are struggling. So let's get into the video. So like as usual, right? So the market context matters a lot when you're trading, and you get that market context when you're trading every single day. So I knew that AMD was absolutely heating up, right? The semiconductor itself, that AMD was absolutely heating up. So I was looking to trade AMD, right? AMD was on my watch list if it shows some strong price action above our pre-market high. So I was interested in AMD, but just could not get a clean move, right? And AMD didn't really have a clean move anyways, right? We had a decent move up, but this is not really decent price action for like options in my opinion, right? Unless you got like a entry down at this pre-market high retest, which I don't really like playing retest like deeper pullbacks. I like playing more but instant pullbacks with momentum. So I saw that NVIDIA, right, was breaking its high of day plus 5 minute range high while buying QQ. Let's see here, like 840. So at 840, right, what the hell, 840 at 840, right? So right over here, oh my god, give me 1 second. So at 840 right here, right, we kind of see SPY QQ at low of day while NVIDIA trying to break high of day. So that shows me that NVIDIA is kind of showing stronger buyers in the market, so at relative strength, right? Especially if we can close a strong candle close above this high of day. This name looks good for like a nice little momentum push, right? So I saw that we had a strong price action right off these lows. So what level are we kind of showing buyers here, right? We're kind of chopping around, but we kind of are showing wicks at this area. So what is this area? This area is our pre-market high, right? But it's also overlapping with a previous key level I had marked out, right? So this previous key level is an hourly high level. So we're kind of like basing around this, showing a tight range. So if I can see a strong price action breakout, then I'm interested to play this name, right? Because my risk can be very small while my reward can be a little bit bigger. So it's always good to take like trades like these are a high risk, low reward. So I tried entering actually on this candle, but did not get the feel for this, right? So did not get the feel for this candle. So I entered on this candle while I wait for more confirmation. So I saw that we kind of were bouncing off this order block, right? While we had a strong price action. So while QQ and SPY at low of day, NVIDIA was trying to break high of day, right? We had a strong price action reclaiming these key levels. So I was very interested in NVIDIA. And also, if you guys are watching this, I will be posting a live video of me trading like the markets. Like I literally recorded myself trading while market was open. So literally 8:30 I turned on the recording and traded and talked through like all the trades and what I was looking at and stuff. So that will help a lot. And so that's something I see no other Discord servers doing. Actually, one Discord server I see doing it, but other ones don't do that because all of them are probably dog shit, right? So like if you guys are like kind of want to see what I'm looking at and my insights, then it'll like I feel like it'll help you a lot be able to see like what I'm looking at while the market's open. So be sure to check that out in the Discord server, right? I'll actually do that after this video. So I entered right after I saw this kind of buyers defending this oral block, right? Wanted a good entry, stop loss below this oral block, and then I wanted to see us just show momentum, right? And we had a nice, very nice strong candle closure above this previous candle, and then we just had literally like 4 huge green candles in a row, right? We instantly smashed our TPs. So TP1 was 118.11 hourly high, and then this next TP is 188.50 55 hourly high, and this 189 whole stack number, which we rejected at multiple times or 2 times, and then this final TP was this 189.28. So ideally I'd want to see us a strong candle closure above this 189 level to see its continuation, but we rejected that level, and so no big deal, right? So took my first scale off I think here, and then took my second scale off at this pop over here, and then got stopped at over here. So I'll kind of show you guys the on this monitor. I'll show you guys the exits and entries, right? So entered right when I said right over here, and then exit off that pop of that my TP1, right, 188 TP1. So entered on the strong candle close of that TP1, and then second exit right at that pop I said earlier. Actually, 844. Damn, I missed on like. Oh, these contracts hit even more, I'm pretty sure. All right, like 245 was around I think 53%, and then this pop probably gave contract 60%. So contracts probably actually hit 60%, but I didn't get that fill, right? I exited over here, and then that pop I just didn't get that fill. So the last 10 contracts I got stopped at over here, right? Got stopped out unfortunately over here, but nothing too crazy, right? Because I still got pretty decent profit from these 2 wins, but I really just want to see us kind of maintain this market structure and kind of move to the upside. But we kind of did go a little bit deeper and then have the move I was looking for. So nothing too crazy, right? As expected. What else is there to talk about? What is this guy gonna say? No drop. Yeah, literally an amazing trade, right? Also, let me show you the Discord. Wasn't on Discord what I called out, right? I was also recording my entries and exits I was recording, I said earlier, the market session, so I was talking in that. So, right, Q SPY weeks, I shot at a big gap up, which I was 100% correct, right? Look at that shit. Like, this is horrendous price action. People probably lost a shit ton of money today, right? Trying to short this name under this 694, right? Yeah, people got faked out probably multiple times today. So I don't expect future traders to be happy today. But yeah, so Bell calls on watch, no nothing on there, no confirmation. So NVIDIA calls on watch. So I even called out NVIDIA. I called out NVIDIA, by the way, when this candle was when this strong candle closed. So so I even called it before, like, I kind of entered, right? So 2 minutes before I entered. So nice move, right? Literally three green candles. So a very nice day. And also said I recorded this entire trade session, then just also put a picture of my trades element. So very insane day overall, right? And if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join the server. I'm gonna keep the server free for like quite a long time, until at least get like a lot of people. So I'm telling you, you guys can get so much value out of the server. Like, I'm literally dropping so much information, like, it's actually insane. If you guys ever want to trade futures or any other name, like, it literally transfers over. I'm telling you, it transfers over pretty easily. Right, options is way harder than futures because you have to time the momentum and the direction, right? Whereas futures have to time the direction, you know. So it's like, it's very more simpler. So, yeah. So that's a trade recap, right? I think I talked about everything. No other tech was doing anything, right? Tesla choppy, Apple choppy, Meta was choppy after we came under these pre-market lows, right? I called it at that pop, but I want to see us kind of show some confirmation / strong price action, but we just came down and rejected it. So choppy on Meta. And AMD, of course, you know, I said earlier, AMD higher time frame than insane, so we had a nice little push, but this name had no really good entry for me, for this name, right? And it was also kind of sketchy to take this name a little bit later in the day, because after like 8:50, we knew that the markets were choppy as shit. So like, this name was a little bit more sketch, right? Your risk, if you want to take this name, actually there's no entry to begin with, so there's really no risk. So ignore what I said. Right. Also, today was a pretty choppy day, right? On a lot of names, today was a pretty choppy day. If you didn't get that NVIDIA entry, right, then there was no really good setup on any other name. So NVIDIA was the only name that had the had a setup, in my opinion, right? Every other name was trash. Even AMD, unless you got like a entry off this pre-market high retest, which, like, I guess you could have kind of gone entry off this pre-market high retest, right? But I like taking setups that are more like more instant pullbacks rather than displacement, right? Because I want that momentum to kind of show pretty much instantly or defending that level, right? So if we did kind of like, if I entered right here, I wanted to kind of see a break above the primary high and then consolidate and then move higher, right? I kind of want to see that instant momentum, right? That strong, can I draw something? I want to see this, basically. This, like, what the fuck? It's like a, this line's like weird. Oh, it's a brush. Can I not have like a pencil? This pencil? So I want to see us pop up, consolidate, or show strong buyers at that level, kind of showing wicks at the level, and then move up again, right? So that's why I want to kind of want to see. And that's what we kind of saw, but this was more instant, right? This was like this was really good price action, right? We literally instantly showed buyers, right? Whereas this is a little bit of a deeper pullback. This is more like this. This is more a little bit deeper of a pullback, right? Showing that pre-market high bounce. So this is a little bit more deeper pullback, where I like more of a smaller displacement, more momentum. So that's how I just like to trade personally, right? And it honestly depends on the type of trade I take for that day, because the price action is different for a day, right? So that's why, like, you always want to be able to have your own bro, I can't even delete this. You want to always be able to have your own what's it called? Discretion, right? You also want to be able to analyze what the market is doing, what's a high probability day, what's a low probability day, right? And like, you guys know, or maybe like new people don't watch, you don't know, but like I didn't take a trade yesterday, right? Because the market was low probability, and then I go into other servers, right? And I see people taking all these L's, and all these servers, people are like taking L's and like complaining, like, and they're forcing trades and wondering why they're losing. Like, I'm telling you guys, like, people are just too different, right? Like, there's like, it hurts seeing like the beginner trader / trash trader just trade and just complain about price action. Like, bro, if it's bad and you know it's bad, why are you trading? Like, stop forcing trades. Like, you're literally fucking yourself over. Like, it's actually insane. Like, the markets don't give a fuck about like your $10,000 position or your $5,000 position or even your $100,000 position, right? Like, if it's choppy, it will be choppy, right? If we're in our levels, we're going to be choppy, right? Like, they're forcing trades and hoping for something to happen, right? So you want to trade what you see on price, right? I saw us showing strong price action, so I took the trade, right? I saw us. You don't want to predict it. You want to trade what you can see. Now you don't want to predict it. So the majority of people like try predicting, like they even in choppiness, they'll be like, okay, we're in choppiness, but I want to see us break the level, so they enter beforehand. But you wanna trade what you see, not trade what you anticipate, right? So I'm talking way too long, right? The trade recap has been over for a long time. But yeah, so that's the video, and yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.